Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find external hard drive in Windows 11. So when you are going to look for your external hard drive, normally when you're going to open, say, something like this, you should be able to see these drives here. Now, to identify which is your hard drive, it can be confusing, and so renaming them is somehow difficult. I'm going to show you that there's an easy way to identify them. You have to remember them: C, D, and E. Now, the first indication is gonna be the sizes. So, for example, this is just around 1 terabyte or 1 gigabytes of storage space, and this is hardly going to be a hard drive. This is a USB stick or USB removable disk, and yeah, these two, for example, are most likely going to be a hard drive. It could be external or it could be in your PC. Now, another way to do this or another way to identify this is if you're going to open something called disk fragment, or I mean disk management, create and format hard disk partitions. Click that one, and the first thing that you are going to be seeing here is going to be disks. So, for example, right here we have disk 0, disk 1, and then disk 2. Now, if you are going to look at disk 0, there is something here. It's called basic. So that's a tag. And as you can see, tag here is basic. The same thing with disk 1. Both of these tags refers to the disk management or your hard drive. It could be HDD or SSD. Now, if you're going to look at the USB, you can see that it says removable. Again, this is a removable stick or the USB that we are using. So yeah, that is the easiest way in order for us to find external hard drive in Windows 11.